Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make spicy eggplant fry or brinjal fry katrika poriyal. It's a quick and easy. So today I made a South Indian Thali. So I made this katrika poriyal for as a side. Food is a God gift. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell button to get everyday notification. To make this katrika poriyal, all you need 2 cups sliced eggplant, half cup onion, garlic, chili powder, curry leaves. For tempering, you need a mustard seed, Urid Dal, cumin, turmeric powder. In the wok, add the oil. When the heat point, we're going to add the temperings, friend. Once it's splattering, we're going to add that curry leaves and give a nice shake or saute. And we're going to add that chopped onion, garlic. Give a nice saute about 1 minute. Now we're going to add the salt for taste. Once we add the salt, I'm going to add that sliced eggplant and turmeric powder. I give a nice saute until all been nicely coated with the seasoning, onion and the salt. So we're going to saute about 2 minutes. See friends, it's a little bit softer and it changed the color already. And now we're going to add the water about half cup. So today I have this eggplant from the farmers market. It's an organic eggplant. It's consume little bit time to cook and require a little bit water. So it's depend friends what type of eggplant you are using. So let it cook for 5 minutes. So this process going to be make the eggplant cook faster. Now this already fully cooked. Now I'm just add the pounded garlic and chili powder. So you've been seeing that I'm adding the chili powder. Almost the eggplant 70% cooked. So why the reason is going to be nicely coated to our eggplant poriyal. So let it finish cook more 30%. Now it's ready friends. We can garnish with the chopped coriander and curry leaf. So friend, this eggplant poriyal goes so well with this South Indian thali. So today I have this kira poriyal kootu, eggplant poriyal, bottogat halwa, rasam, sambar and yogurt. It's so good friends. You should make this delicious meal at your home. Please check the description below to get all the recipe that I leave the link below. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.